Hi there. Today we're putting Blackbox AI under the microscope. This AI agent claims to be a game changer for developers and builders, but does it live up to the hype? We're exploring every feature, digging into the pricing, and uncovering the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your projects. Let's jump right in. Blackbox AI is an innovative platform built to assist developers and creators with AI-powered coding, debugging, and optimization. The moment you land on their website, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly design, which makes navigation a breeze even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The core feature here is the AI's ability to generate and suggest code in real time, significantly cutting down on manual typing and reducing errors. One of the coolest aspects is the AI's debugging tool. It scans your code for mistakes and offers corrections, which can be a lifesaver when you're stuck. There's also a handy search function that fetches code snippets and documentation instantly, so you don't have to waste time scouring the web. Now on to pricing. The free plan gives you a taste of what Blackbox can do, but serious users will likely need the premium tiers for features like faster responses, priority support. The paid plans are reasonably priced, but the free version does feel restrictive. As for drawbacks, the AI isn't flawless. Sometimes its suggestions miss the mark, and you'll need to manually adjust the code. There's also the occasional lag or bug, though the team is actively rolling out updates to improve performance. Despite these minor hiccups, Blackbox AI stands out as a valuable tool for developers looking to work smarter, not harder. The platform offers 3 paid subscription tiers. The Pro plan is priced at approximately $2.79 per month and is designed for everyday productivity, providing access to the best AI models, an autonomous coding agent, voice and screen share agents, expanded messaging and context, desktop and IDE integrations, and a Figma to code feature. The business plan costs around $20.89 per month and includes all Pro features with triple the usage capacity, a voice agent, scalable usage, higher output limits, and early access to new AI capabilities. The Ultimate plan is priced at approximately $27.85 per month and offers everything in the business tier plus 5 times the usage capacity, even higher output limits, on-demand GPUs in the IDE, early feature access, and priority support during peak times. All plans offer a free trial and are presented with monthly billing. Alright, that's a wrap on our Blackbox AI review. It's a promising tool with a lot to offer, especially if you're tired of grinding through code line by line. Just keep in mind that it's not perfect yet. If you've tried Blackbox, let us know your experience in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.